Hi. So I chose this place purely for the vibes. Wait, I should put you somewhere better because just a second. Wait. This is not working. This is not working. Well, there. It's very low. It's not nice. Wait, I'll find somewhere nicer. Can I fit in here? I don't think I can fit in here. That's nice, but it. Oh, I think we found something. I found something. I hope I can put this somewhere, or I can do this. I can do this. But I think my arm, it's gonna hurt at some point. So I guess I can speak or try to speak while my arm is not yet hurting because I'm really having fun. And I think it's a nice blend for the phase 2 of the money and worries. I'm gonna call that the phase 2, the handkerchief of the kind stranger. And I almost said sorry for my anger, but I won't. Mind you, I won't, because I know that if I say sorry about expressing anger, I may unintentionally make you uncomfortable expressing your anger, and I don't like that. I prefer it when people just exist how they want to exist, with the full spectrum of their emotions, as long as they know how to handle it in a very healthy way, or in a way that's not hurting other people. And yes, so I will not apologize for that, and I know you also prefer that I don't apologize. And I'm losing my train of thought. I'm losing my train of thought. The clouds and the sky and the seagulls are gone. No, yeah, the seagulls are gone, but the sky and the clouds are still there, and I'm still human. Well, again, I guess this is gonna be part 2, but there's gonna be a part 3 because I am so distracted by the fun that I am having in this swing. I was supposed to talk about something, but it's not arriving. Well, I didn't experience this as a child. this, exactly this. I didn't know what it used. I think I can swerve that to a point that I learned recently. This is from Uncle Ethan, and I'm not sure if this is his quote, because he also quoted some people that had made an impact on his life in that speech that I watched. No, I think it's an interview that I watched. He also quoted some people, and one of the quotes there that I got that also felt really I don't know the word, but I'm gonna give you the quote. It's never too late to have a happy childhood. And that is true. That is true. And I'm having a happy childhood. I feel like it started in Norway. And I feel like I'm passing this to another hand because I'm getting like, no, I cannot make it work if I pass it to another hand. So let's go back to Norway. Well, I'm gonna try to stay on my point, because just the word Norway kind of opened a lot of doors in my mind, because in Norway I experienced the extreme darkness and the extreme light in the known parts of my soul as we speak. And I'm still trying to remember the blue of the sky, or keep that in mind. So I'm not gonna go on the dark side of the road. I'm gonna go on the... So it's never too late to have a happy childhood, he said. And the beginning of this happy childhood, I feel like, is in Norway. It was when I was living with my host family, and I think this should be a story for another day. I don't have enough of myself to give this story justice. So I guess I would just end this video here.